everyone. My name is Shruti Kapoor, and I'm going to do a quick demo for you to show you what I built with Directus. I'm a staff engineer currently working at Slack, and I love making coding tutorials for folks and help them get into front end. You can find all of my content up on YouTube at Shruti Kapoor 08. Now let's get into the demo. Here's a demo of an app that I built with Directus, OpenAI, LangChain, Node.js, React, and Tailwind. It's a lot of stack, but let me simplify this demo for you. So here's a place where we can search for properties. I built this app when I was looking for real estate in Seattle, and I was sick of entering fields in Zillow and having to manually type all of the things over and over again. So here's an app that I built. In this app, you can simply write an English language sentence like, I'm looking for a 4-bedroom house with backyard, swimming pool, front yard, nice school district in the range of 2 million, how many zeros are there in million? To 5 million. Let's just say I have this money. And if I hit search, that's all I have to do to look for a house. And it's gonna magically look up for houses that match that preference in Seattle. So this is what I built. Also, this is also the starting point of building a recommendation engine. I built this like and dislike button. So let's say that I want to build a recommendation engine where I want to see more properties that match the preferences that I like. I can hit like on a property like this one, which I feel like is very pretty, or this one, which I feel like is too crowded. So I'm going to dislike this. And now if I head over to my Directus database, give it a reload and see at the bottom that this property, 320 Northwest 75th Street, which was at 805, is marked as disliked in my database. And that's the grounds of setting up a recommendation engine. I can use the preferences that I set, yes or no, to build a recommendation engine that values the properties that I've already liked and tries to show me more properties like that, which will be the next part of this demo. By the way, I'll walk through this code very briefly to show you how I'm integrating with OpenAI. But if you're interested in a detailed walkthrough of this app, here is a video I've built on my channel, which you can watch, building an AI-powered real estate app. But for now, let me show you how I integrate with LLM. So I've got this file called LLM.js, and this is all I'm providing my LLM, okay? I'm creating an OpenAI LLM, I'm just providing it my API key. Then I'm setting a parser. I'm using the structured output parser and giving it a Zod object that I want to create. And the Zod object that I want to create is price ending, which is going to be a budget, which provides us a budget range of what my property should be, number of bedrooms for the house that I'm looking for, number of bathrooms. I can also provide a default value, for example, 1 if no bathroom was provided, and a nice to have, which in my case would be backyard, swimming pool, front yard, nice school district, things like that. And again, I can provide, if there's nothing provided, return backyard, because that's the kind of person I am. I love backyards. That's all I need to create is Zod object. And with this parser, I can then invoke my chain, which is how I call LLM. I'm going to provide it a template. I'm going to say, parse the description provided by user, and that is the text that I'm entering here at the top. And I'm going to say, parse the description provided by the user to extract information about real estate preferences. Which information? Exactly this information that I'm defining up here. And then all I need to do is invoke my chain with the description that the user has provided and the format instructions that I just generated over here. And that's how you call LLM. I'm saving all of this data in the database, which is Directus, and this will be helpful in creating a recommendation engine in the future. I can also save all of the properties that I've liked in the database. Thank you for watching my demo.